In today's digital age, protecting our privacy and sensitive information is more important than ever. Let's explore how these applications work to ensure a secure mobile experience and protect your personal data. Anti-spyware. Anti-spyware is an Android application designed to detect and remove spyware from your device. Spyware is malicious software that can track your online activities, steal sensitive information, and compromise your privacy. With anti-spyware, you can scan your device to identify any spyware present and take action to remove it. The app helps protect your personal data and ensures a secure mobile experience by monitoring for any suspicious activity or unauthorized access. Spyware Detector. Spyware Detector is an Android app that helps you identify and remove spyware, adware, and other potentially unwanted programs from your device. Spyware can collect your personal information, track your online behavior, and slow down your device's performance. With Spyware Detector, you can scan your device for any spyware threats and take necessary actions to safeguard your privacy and security. The app provides real-time protection to prevent spyware from infiltrating your device and offers regular updates to stay ahead of new threats. Anti-Spy Firewall. Anti-Spy Firewall is an Android application that acts as a firewall to protect your device from spyware, adware, and other malicious threats. By monitoring incoming and outgoing network traffic, Anti-Spy Firewall can detect and block unauthorized access attempts by spyware or other intrusive software. The app allows you to set custom rules for network activity, giving you more control over which applications can access the internet and ensuring your data remains secure. In conclusion, investing in an anti-spy detector application is crucial for maintaining your privacy and security while using your Android device. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.